Hello everyone, welcome to Berong's TV. Today's episode is... Good morning mga ka-Berongski. Isang malamig na umaga here in Auckland, New Zealand. We're going to another fishing adventure. So it's 7 degrees outside. Cold. Yeah. It's cold and it's Sunday. So we're going to Kawa today.
Huh?
Try to catch some fish. So stand by. See you later. Pagpunta nga namin doon, yung damo yelo. Puti-puti hello, we're here at my cut. How cold is it here in New Zealand? We have changed gear now. Ito mo. Ayun yung ano pala. Oo, kaso yan yung nilalagay. Hindi, nilagay ko lang yan.
Am I that stupid? I'm not gonna try and put it in my bag if it will fit.
Sabi mo, hindi ka siya. Hindi pa nagkasya.
This is it, pansit. We're gonna have an adventure.
Pero ano siya? Oo, napalipad niya.
Several hours later, wala ka na namang huli!
Ang sabi niya.
Sabi ko.
Puro kami plano. Puro, at least may nalaman tayo ngayon.
Ano?
Yun nga lang, hanggang nalaman lang. Pero
Masakit.
hindi,
Masakit yung lesson.
cannot apply it. I don't know. Why? Why? I think it's time to hang the rod.
Hang or throw?
Hang muna.
Hang on.
Hang it.
Ikaw lang yung professional na naging 6 months sa kong career. Alam mo yung pili.
Die hard.
6 months.
Die hard. Die hard without the fish.
6
Ano?
months, hindi pa yun araw-araw.
Yeah.
Uwian na?
Yeah?
It's on my. Of course. I'm not depressed like you.
Salamat.
I'm just enjoying my music.
Patay na naman si Village. Bad memory ko yan.
To the core. Alam nyo, yung paggaganto ko, eto na. Ito ang nangyari sa amin.
Sanay siya sa BC.
Puro,
Sa BC. Hello, what to?
puro prepare and unpack. Fuck. Useless. Meow, meow, meow. Oh my God. See you at fishery. Village fishery.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Capcom ka.
Well, I tipped my tooth on a tangerine, and the jaybird singing something